Hey there, math enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of mathematics. Today, we have an intriguing equation to solve together. It involves logarithms, so get ready to flex those mathematical muscles. Let's jump right in. The equation we're tackling today is log x+2 plus log x-1 equals 1. To find the value of x that satisfies this equation, we'll employ some powerful logarithmic techniques. First off, let's recall a fundamental logarithmic property. When two logarithms with the same base are added together, it's equivalent to the logarithm of their product. So, we can rewrite the equation as our next step is to eliminate the logarithm and transform it into an exponential equation. We'll raise the base of the logarithm, which is 10 in this case, to both sides of the equation. So, we have since 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10, we can simplify further to now, we have a quadratic equation on our hands. Expanding the expression on the left side, we obtain let's bring all the terms to one side, so we have which simplifies to to solve this quadratic equation, we can either factor it or use the quadratic formula. Let's use the quadratic formula. Comparing the equation to the quadratic formula, we have a equals 1, b equals 1, c equals -12. Plugging these values into the quadratic formula, we get simplifying further, we have which becomes therefore, we have two possible solutions for x. Simplifying the solutions, we find x equals 3 and x equals -4. So, the solutions to the equation log x+2 plus log x1 equals 1 are x equals 3 and x equals -4.